Hey, what's up, everybody? Keith Wilson with another. Hey, what's up, everybody? Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video. Today, I am going to do something different. We're not going to be painting. We are going to be talking. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the very basics you need to get started into airbrushing. I'm going to make it super easy, super simple, super concise in a short time frame because I know everybody has a short attention span nowadays, myself included. Okay, so number one. You're going to want an Iwata airbrush. I'm just telling you that right now. You're going to spend about $140 on it. It's going to be worth the investment because if you buy something cheap, it's not going to work properly. It's going to be a pain in the neck to clean. It's going to break on you, and it's just going to lead to frustration. So if you're really serious about learning how to airbrush, just spend a little bit more money and get the Iwata. You could buy that at Dick's Blicks. You could also buy it at Hobby Lobby. I love both stores. You're going to want to buy a compressor. A hobby compressor. Yes, it's loud. Yes, it's annoying. Yes, the air fluctuates. But again, if you're just getting started, you don't want to fork over a lot of cash. Get one for $100, $150. You're going to be okay. And you have to listen to these steps because if you decide to get a Badger, then it's not going to match with the hose that comes with the compressor. So you're going to have to get an adapter. It's a whole nother issue. I'm not going to go through each one. I'm just telling you the very basics of what I would recommend for someone who's just getting into airbrushing. 1, Iwata airbrush. 2, compressor. 3, paint. You're going to want Comart paint. It's pre-mixed. You don't get a large volume. You know, once you find out that you like it, then you could buy, Createx regular paint and buy the thinner that goes with it and work on your ratios for thinning it out. But in the beginning, you don't want to do any of that, man. You want to open up it's just like getting a gift or a toy as a kid. You want to get it, grab it, hook it up, just start going to town with it, mess with it, see if you like it. You can buy them used. Pros and cons. Pros are you could probably get the airbrushes and compressors half off online. Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, I believe has some as well, and eBay. Problem is you're not guaranteed that it's going to work or it's going to work properly. Maybe it works, maybe it malfunctions. I don't know. If I were you, spend the extra $100, $150, save up, and get it brand new from Dick Blick or Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, I don't know if they have Comart paint anymore, but trust me, you want to get Comart paint, especially if you're just getting started. It's super easy. It's user-friendly. It's pre-mixed. You shake up the bottle, you pour it in, and you go. I can make a video on, the steps after you get those things, but I just wanted to do a short, concise, deliberate video to tell somebody, hey, you know what? I want to try airbrushing. What do I need? What do I need? Well, I'm telling you right now, in under 4 minutes, I'm telling you exactly what you need. Iwata airbrush, compressor, Comart paint, all from Dick Blick. I'll try to put links in the description, or Hobby Lobby. I'll put links in the description. Bear with me, though. I don't know. Oh, by the way, if you're on a phone, if you're on a tablet, you're going to see a little square button. It's going to say subscribe. Please push it. You're also going to see a little thumbs up. Please push it. If you're at home and you're on a desktop, take your mouse, scroll over to subscribe, and push it. Go over to the like and push it. And please, 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 leave a comment, leave a question for me. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you'd like to see more of. And I really appreciate every time somebody views one of my videos and finds some sort of value in it. I feel blessed. But for now, it's getting late. I'm out.